on par with other regions. And a crop parasite known as the fall armyworm has been eaten throughout Africa. Different organizations say by the time they detect it, it's too late. But how early is early? We visited 2 companies in Zambia handling agri-prediction using drones and smartphones.
This issue is going to be there for 10 years.
Right.
And that total loss only for maize is about $10 billion. The loss is for the medium and small scale farmers. So if they have their title ready, the beacons ready, which we can do with aerial drone imaging, and they can go to the banks to get loan. They can go to the insurance companies. So even if there's an impact of fall armyworm, they can have some compensation. Even with this wind, you can see how steady it is. Yeah. With the satellite imagery, you can see the trend where the fall armyworm is kind of impacting. Specifically in Zambia, we already have been authorized from June 2015. We have all the policies and regulations from Civil Aviation Authority. But other countries like Kenya, Ethiopia, they are still coming up. So the moment they come up, then only we are officially able to fly the drones.
Hello.
Hey, Georgie.
How are you doing?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
You're on your phone on the farm. What's happening?
What I'm doing right now actually is just checking up on some of the crop that's there.